Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can bulk edit the products in Shopify. This is specifically important if you have tons of collection and products and you don't want to waste your time by clicking on each product and then editing the prices and manually adding the tags. You want to do all the things in one place, and this is where the bulk editing comes into action. So if you click on this, select all the products. In your case, if the products are like more than 50, it will show you the option to select first 50 products or select all the products. So you can select a specific products or you can select all the products. It will give you the option. In my case, I only have 10 products, so it has selected all the products. If I want to deselect any product, I can also do it, but the bulk edit will work fine for any case. So as you have selected all the products, you just have to click on bulk added, this one, and this will open a new window and show you all the columns that you can easily add it without any hassle. So I have the columns like tag, product category, base price, compared price, SKU, and track quantity. So I can edit all the things in one place. I have all the products and their variants listed here. Okay, so what I have to do, I just if I want to delete any column, so currently product category is not required for me because I don't want to work on it. I want to add like product type. This is something of my interest, so I have my selected column. So for example, if I want to add a tag to a product, you can add the tag to a product, not to specific variants, okay, in Shopify specifically. So test product, and then you have to click on add. And for example, if I want to add this tag to this product, LCD writing, so I think that's enough. So let's add some product type. You can add the product type if you want, like the product type is test, so it will automatically create the product type for us. So I would create the type kits. So I can so it has already created the product type kits for this, although the kits product type is not created before for my store. So if you want to add the if you want to change the price for multiple variants at once, so what you have to do, just have to click on this one and just press the shift button so that you can select multiple kits. So it is very light blue color, but it is, as you can see, it is selecting the columns automatically. And if we go down, I want to select like all the columns up till, let me close this one. So I want to select all the columns till 10 inches blue. So as you can see, it has selected all the columns currently. So it's very light color. This is something I don't like because I have to do a lot of effort just to see if it is selecting the, yes, it has selected all the product variants. And if I want to change the price for each product, each variant, so what I have to do, as they have already all the variants have been selected, so I will just write 5.0 and it will change the product price. It has changed the price for each variant, so I don't have to manually edit the variant. So for example, if I want to change the price for this variant, I can just simply do it. So this is very convenient. So if you want to change the comparator price, again you have to deal with some very low brightness uh, select option. So it has select all the option, and I will add the price $15.00, and it has changed the price for each variant of this product. So I think this is the you have seen that how much time it has saved for me, because if I want to edit the price for each variant, compared price and same price, base price, it will take me a lot of time. So specifically open each variant and then open change the compared price and base price. So I hope the things are clear. You can also edit the SKU for each variant through this window. And also, if you have don't want to track the quantity for specific variant, you can deselect it also. And also, I have explained earlier, if you want to, like if you want to add the more columns, you can add the column specifically, and if you want to delete the column, you can do it. So that's how the bulk edit work, and you can do everything here without opening the product. So I hope the things are clear, and let me know if you have any issue, and I will be available to answer you in the comments. And please make sure to test it on your live store also. Once you bulk edit, make sure to test it on the live store if it is working fine or not. In my case, it has worked completely fine. Thank you very much, and I hope the things are clear.